Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2017 Cadillac XT5 Luxury Collection all-wheel drive. Stock number Z9926XX. 34,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Radiant silver metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 4-year, 50,000 mile bumper to bumper and 6-year, 70,000 mile powertrain warranty. It's a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seats 5, leather interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, forward collision alert, along with rear parking sensors and backup camera. Power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear with removable privacy cover. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This luxury collection has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats along with a power tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, oversized moonroof. Large, easy to read gauges. That's where you set the forward collision alert, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen Q infotainment system. For radio, it's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. Navigation. Dual-zone automatic temperature control. And there's, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for climate. Along with heated front seats. Automatic transmission. All-wheel drive lock. USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those media devices, and wireless cell phone charging. Large glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead, home-link transmitter for garage door opener, power moonroof and power sunshade control. Under the hood, this XT5 is a 3.6 liter V6, 310 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 18 miles to the gallon and a city average of 26 on the highway, and ready to go with new brakes and new tires. For more information on this XT5, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.